That's amazing. Oh my God.
For 40 years, I have been on a secret quest, and today we get to announce that we've struck gold. Christmas Day 1983, I began my magic career with a Siegfried Roy magic kit. I'd love to tell you that I read all the instructions, I practiced every single move, and I executed flawlessly. But instead, we'll let the tape do the talking.
The Great Magician Show with Brian as the magician. Is this card? No. Something went wrong.
Okay, yes, I was just like every other 8-year-old who ever got a magic kit. But ever since then, I've thought about how could that day have gone? What would the perfect Christmas morning magic kit look like? The perfect magic kit should be one a kid can open and perform 30 minutes later and have it be good. What if the tricks weren't just good, but they were world-class tricks that actual working pros do? Oh hell, let's go crazy now. On top of all of that, the perfect kit would cost a single bill that you have in your wallet right now. I think we've done it. I think we found that kit. But to make sure we got it right, Alex and I went out and kidnapped the first 12-year-old we could find. Luckily, it was my daughter.
Callie, do you have a fresh $100 bill?
No.
Oh, God. I'll provide my own dollar bill, but we just want to make sure it's not like any sort of magic-y dollar bill, yeah? And then we're going to aim right here for George Washington's forehead.
You're gonna kill him.
I'm going to. Violently. You can see that wiggling through there, yeah? It looks like that has ruined that person's dollar bill. And then if we go through here, we slide.
Huh? What?
And then look right there.
What did you do to him?
Healed.
What did you do to him?
All right, Callie, is it good?
I was shocked.
Would you be more shocked to find out that you can do it right now?
George Washington will die in real life.
He's not gonna like hearing that.
He's gonna die right here.
Oh my goodness. What?
What would you do if I...
What? That's
Call
great.
me the magician.
Alex, how many tricks are in here?
There are 3 really good tricks and 1 miracle trick that you could do over 100 different things with.
3 good tricks and 1 Swiss Army trick.
This is something that I definitely had as a kid. I'm gonna place that little matchstick
Does
there.
the kit even come with this stick?
Yeah. You know any magic words?
Abracadabra.
No, wait. That, you know what happens when you do that?
I'm so sorry, I'm so
Yeah,
sorry.
you make magic happen. That would make that levitate in the air. Say it again.
Abracadabra.
You see it right there. Floating in the air. Yeah.
Now that you know it, go ahead and perform it for us.
This is how I'm gonna make a stick float.
Oh my God. That's great.
Ooh.
What do you give that one? A 6, 7.
Are you gonna keep the 6-7 joke in?
Maybe.
I don't want you to.
Okay. Remember, I said there are 3 very good tricks and 1 Swiss Army knife. Do you want to see the third of the 3 good tricks? Alex.
This is actually, believe it or not, this is what made David Blaine famous right here.
It's true.
It is true. It is true. We're doing this on the street. So we take your favorite household Oreo.
You know that Oreos are vegan?
If you see someone eating Oreos, just take this out of their Oreo packet. Don't ask. Take it out of their Oreo packet, right? A little bite there, and then you bring it back like that.
Uh-huh. I don't want to touch that.
You know what? Actually, that solves a problem. Imagine if you do a miracle and they were like, I don't want to touch the prop.
I'm going to eat this Oreo, and it will be delicious.
Oh, yeah. Whoa, that actually fooled me just now. That was amazing. 3 tricks you learned. You learned how to penetrate George Washington's head. You learned how to levitate a stick with no match. And you learned how to eat an Oreo and vomit it back. Now it's time for the big, big surprise. This is like the secret sauce.
Have you seen how much a magic kit's going for now?
Okay, $100.
Easy.
Swiss Army knife, is it literally just a deck of cards?
It's not. I would understand if people thought that.
If I was to say, hey, Callie, tell me when to stop. We find one, right? We get it. And then I shuffle and I mix and I move these cards around. And then I find your card. ta-da, I'm supposed to be able to do that, right? I'm the magician because I'm in control of these playing cards. And these are all fancy moves. But what if, Callie, I handed these cards to you? Tell me when you're done there, yo?
Can I look?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay, I won't look either.
Yeah, and then here, just hand me those. Yeah, I'll get those. And did you look at it? Did you saw it though?
Yep.
And here's what we're gonna mix it into this deck here. I'm going to look at you. I just want you to look at the cards here. Point your finger out like so, just point a finger. So nothing going on over here.
You're supposed to be
All right.
trying to find
Yeah.
mine.
No, just don't give me any clues. Don't give me any clues there. Nothing going on over here. It's not here. It's, yeah. It's right there. Yeah.
Is that right?
How?
Yeah.
I'm gonna tell you a secret way to know something about a deck of cards. You riffle through the cards, tell me if you notice anything. Do you notice anything? You don't notice?
Oh, huh.
Do you
yeah.
notice something?
There's.
This alone, like $25. I cannot believe how much value and the fact that it plays at so many levels. And that's before we get to the fact that it comes with like double facers, a blanker, or double backer. There's so much you could do.
That pin through bill, like I'm using that in my walk around set.
It's great.
Like I'm using that in my walk around set. Obviously this all day, hands down.
Do you want one? Give me back that Oreo.
No.
Oh!
This is the best magic kit I've ever seen, full stop. I wish I could say that I invented it. I did not. I wish I could say I found the supplier. I did not. I wish I could say I did all the instructions. I did not. They're perfect as is. The one thing I could lay claim to is when it comes to magic kits, I've seen them all, and not one has better magic, easier to learn, with better materials at an unbelievable price. I believe in this kit so much that I am the only person on the planet offering a 110% money-back guarantee on it. That's right, if you don't like it, send it back. I will send you more money than you spent on it. And yes, I'll probably lose money on this somehow. Don't care, I'm only thinking of how many awesome Christmas mornings are gonna happen because of this. I don't know how long they'll be at this price, but at the time of recording, we have them available, I kid you not, for $20. It's a $20 best-in-class magic kit that I believe in 110%. And it's available right now at Scam Stuff. You'll find an unreasonably good magic kit at an unbeatable price. Buy it today, it ships tomorrow, you'll have it in time for Christmas. Here's the one thing I ask in exchange. I want you guys to videotape those Christmas mornings. I want you to capture how much better it went for you than it went for me.
Something went wrong.
If we do this right, we make magic memories that'll last a literal lifetime. So right this moment, head on over to scamstuff.com, think about who you want to make a magician this Christmas, and let's get to work. I believe in this project 110%. You know what my wife said when I told her? She did the thing, I always know I'm onto a good idea when she's like, you can't. We're gonna lose so much money. I'm like, I don't think you understand how good this kid is.